The aging process is a complex, multifaceted phenomenon characterized by the gradual decline in physiological functions and increased susceptibility to diseases over time. Key aspects of the aging process are cellular senescence. Cells gradually lose the ability to divide and function effectively, entering a state known as senescence. These senescent cells can accumulate and secrete harmful substances that damage neighboring cells. Telomere shortening. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, shorten with each cell division. Once they reach a critical length, cells can no longer divide, contributing to aging and tissue deterioration. DNA damage. Accumulation of DNA damage over time due to environmental factors and normal metabolic processes impairs cellular functions and increases the risk of cancer and other age-related diseases. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, become less efficient and produce more reactive oxygen species as they age, leading to oxidative stress and cellular damage. Protein aggregation. Misfolded proteins can accumulate and form aggregates, disrupting cellular functions and contributing to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Epigenetic changes. Alterations in gene expression regulation without changes in the DNA sequence itself affect how genes are turned on or off, influencing aging and disease susceptibility. Stem cell exhaustion. Stem cells lose their regenerative capacity over time, leading to impaired tissue repair and regeneration. Inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often referred to as inflammaging, is associated with many age-related diseases and contributes to the deterioration of tissues and organs. Loss of proteostases. The ability of cells to maintain the stability and function of their proteins declines, leading to the accumulation of damaged or misfolded proteins. Research into the aging process aims to understand these mechanisms better and develop interventions that can delay aging and extend healthy lifespan. Potential strategies include lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise, pharmaceutical interventions, and advanced therapies like gene editing and regenerative medicine.